Okay, guys, picture this. You refresh your Facebook monetization studio for the third time and the earnings still haven't budged. And at this point, you can't help but to wonder, is it me? Or what exactly are you doing wrong? The truth is, you're not doing anything wrong. This literally happens to the best of us. One month, you're on top of the world. The next month, your payout couldn't even pay for a cup of coffee. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to turn that frustration into fuel. If your Facebook earnings are low and your motivation is even lower, this video is going to be your wake-up call and your game plan all rolled in one video. At the end of this video, you'll not only know why the slump is happening, but also how to fix it and find your spark on Facebook again, or find it in the first place if you never had it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. Hey guys, my name is Viva, and for over a decade, I've been living out my dreams as a full-time content creator and a successful online business owner. I've built 2 online 6-figure businesses, all while being home and being able to spend time with my children, whom I actually homeschool. And as you guys can see, we are back in the United States, so I'm filming here in my regular YouTube setup. By the way, we are not back permanently. We're on a vacation here. So the goal here with this channel is to help you guys achieve the same time freedom as well as financial success. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, not for me, but really for you. This channel here is to serve as a resource to help you guys build and boost your income online. So first of all, let's talk about why Facebook earnings dip. I'm not sure if you guys know, but Facebook's monetization programs can be wildly inconsistent. For example, when Facebook went ahead and merged its Facebook bonuses program over with the new Facebook content monetization program, a lot of creators seen their earnings tank overnight. And we're talking about 80 to 90% of their income. And this new Facebook monetization program heavily rewards engagement. If your earnings are currently down, it might simply mean that your followers are not engaging with your content. And the good thing about that is that fixing your engagement is fixable. It's doable. We can fix this. And the good thing about that, engagement is fixable. Here are a few tips that are going to fix your Facebook engagement as well as your earnings. The goal with this video is to help you guys revive your Facebook performance. First things first, you should already know your optimal posting time when it comes to posting on Facebook. You can't just be out here randomly posting content. You have to post content when your audience is active and online. I need you to stop what you're doing and go into your Facebook page insights and figure out when your audience is the most active. What time is that? What day is that? Second thing you need to make sure you're doing in order to get your Facebook performance up is making sure that you are making every post engaging. Every one of your Facebook posts should encourage an interaction. Because you guys got to remember, engagement is king under Facebook. In your post, I need you to be asking questions in your captions. I need you to encourage people to comment. And then when they actually go ahead and comment, I need you to react and engage on those comments. The more discussion that's sparked on Facebook, the more Facebook is going to push out your content to more people. Third thing I need you guys to be doing is leveraging all content formats. Never limit yourself to just one type of Facebook post, because these platforms will always prioritize new and popular forms of content. We're talking reels, stories, and live videos. I'm telling you guys, so many creators have seen amazing results after posting consistent reels as well as going live. We cannot forget the going live part. After doing this, their income increased dramatically. And the cool thing about posting reels is that reels can actually unlock bonuses. And going live is going to allow your fans to send you stars. You also want to remember to keep your stories active daily. Believe it or not, stories is one of my highest converters when it comes to this new Facebook monetization program. Behind text, my stories are up there. Or I need you guys to focus more on original content and quality content. It might be very tempting to go ahead and recycle videos that you already had trending, but trust me, these applications know how to pick up on them. I'm not sure if you guys know, but Facebook is very strict when it comes to originality. So just don't play with it. It's not about how much content you could pump out, but it's more about the quality of the content that you are putting out. A few well thought out posts will absolutely outperform low quality content. And you must make sure you are delivering value in every post. Whether that value is going to be education, entertainment, or just inspiration. Goal is to give people a reason to like comment, and share your content. Like, you have to entertain them, you have to educate them, or you have to provide some type of value. So the last and one of the most important things I need you guys to continue doing is experimenting. You have to learn from your analytics. Treat Facebook as it's like a science project, an experiment. It's super simple if you think about it, because all you have to do is go in your analytics and check out whichever post is getting the most engagement. Then you want to duplicate that. You want to go ahead and start creating the same type of content because it's already proven to get engagement. Social media applications provide so much data. It's up to you guys to properly learn how to use it. Study it, learn it, create a strategy, and optimize. You guys know that I always say, never put all of your eggs in one basket. So you should not ever rely on one social media platform or one monetization feature. You should diversify your income streams. So for instance, I have every Facebook monetization feature that there is, but I'm not solely relying on Facebook. I'm over on Instagram, I'm over on TikTok, I'm here on YouTube, I'm over on Pinterest, I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing digital products. Key is to spread out your income sources so whenever there is a dip, you don't really feel it. Let's get into staying motivated and knowing your why, as to like, why are you doing this? Why are you posting? Because in reality, even with all these tips, I can give you guys the most tips, but in reality, it takes time. And obviously, most of us are starting from the bottom. So seeing those low numbers, that can drain anyone's motivation. Seeing that you're consistently posting and not seeing the results that you feel like you should be seeing, that will drain anyone's motivation. And having a why or a reason as to why you're doing all of this is going to help you stay motivated. That's your purpose for creating content. Once you go ahead and figure that, I need you to write that down and keep it near you. Keep it somewhere where you can always see it. There's always going to be a time when you need that extra push. So when you see that why and you learn how to connect with the bigger picture, then the daily ups and downs are way easier to manage. And you guys have to remember that every large creator, we all start from the bottom. So for me, learning and persevering was how I was able to correct my course and grow from zero to over $10,000 a month. So the point in all this is that a low income now, or low followers, low engagement now, does not mean forever. Not when you're willing to adapt and stick it out. When you ever feel discouraged, or if you are feeling discouraged right now, just know that the next post that you make could potentially be the one. Post could potentially be the one post that turns your entire content creator career around, which is exactly why you need to continue posting. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins. And when things are just not working out, try to take that and use it as feedback, not failure. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you found this motivational, inspiring, and I hope you can take the tips, use it, implement it, and start upping your earnings on Facebook. So I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye-bye.